Okay, Mercedes, let's start. So first you have to go to this one right here, log in. So it has the settings, and then you just go to right here, click it. You're now into the website, and it just depends on, I'm just showing you my website again, and it just depends on the topics that, we're talking about, we're focusing on. And ideally we go back and forth and we look for the ones that have the most comments and the most traffic, which I can show you how to do that in a different video. But this video is how to create, a post using the AI technology. And you can see that I did quite a few different video topics when it comes to like finance or investing, this type of topic. You can see that. You're going to try to grab some videos from my social media, which I'm slowly but surely changing all these. So it's the finance on YouTube videos. So let's say we want to, and then if you're going to do some deep dive research instead of AI, put the sources because it helps the algorithm and also makes it more ethical and showing everything around. But let's just get into it. Okay, first of all, you go to post. I could have just hit new post right away, but I just wanted to show you this is where it shows some of the stuff. Okay, now what I usually want to do, let's go click new post, and I'm going to probably give you a topic, but let's say that we're going to be doing investing. So you go to another tab, you click this, which is going to open. Instead of doing a new sign up, just use my Gmail. Okay. Now we are in this, and I'm probably going to give you the topic to talk about. Let's say how to invest with no money. And it's going to write out this. Your job is going to really be to edit it down and to read it and see, okay, if something doesn't make sense or too wordy, you remove it, okay? And you look at it, okay, how to invest with no money. It does, the starting paragraph, and then it does a list of stuff. And okay, looks all good. You highlight the whole thing, copy, you paste it, okay, and you put the title, how to invest with no money, and you want to put and SEO is you have the same statement throughout the article. And I personally, some people will just put it right there in the first paragraph. I'll literally just create another one and say, now you have learned, and then paste, and then make it no caps, so it doesn't look too bad. That will be, SEO, and be like, how did you learn? And then what the two things that I want you to do, Mercedes, is always link back to another page that creates a backlink for that page and will strengthen them. For example, like that's why these comments are there, is literally I'm linking back to the other ones. And you can choose one that I didn't link back to yet, or you can use those. And I'm trying to strengthen this one right now, for example. So you go back to here and you put in learn more about investing, and put in the link, and you want to make the link clickable. So you go there, and I personally want you to just click open a new tab. So if they click it, it goes to a new tab. So that's what I want you to do. ideally you want to do the OpenAI about twice. So you do once like this, and then you add another one. So you go back, regenerate response. And that will do. That's basically the same. I'll go with it. Ideally, don't want to do this, but because I don't want to make this video too long, I just want to show you the example of the flow I want you to see, okay? I want you to do basically 2 paragraphs using AI. Ideally, it should be slightly different, but this really wasn't. Now, at this point, you go close that. You already did the link. You go to the YouTube channel, which is not this one. And you click on my videos, which I will be creating more videos. And you choose the one that is closest to it, how to invest in personal finance, or choose one. And I want to strengthen them to make them better as well, but let's keep going. So you click on it, you copy this right here. So you go back to this page here, and let's put it in the middle. It depends on what you want to do. Ideally, there's going to be a picture up here that I'm going to show you how to create it. And I don't want a video right underneath the picture. So usually in the middle of the thing, you will be doing that. So you just have to click that, put in the URL, and it generates the video. Very short, okay? Now, you highlight this, go here, click on the Microsoft Designer. Okay, and this is the tool that might be a little slow, but let's get done with it. Like that, and you also want to put, DorianFinance.com, and you generate it, okay? The reason why I want DorianFinance.com, make the picture brandable a little bit, and this will generate a picture for us. Now, after it generates the picture, you're going to click on sizes, and you're going to click on square. And it's going to redo it again. Make it a square. Okay. And like, I really haven't gotten a true pattern that I want for my post, but you can go to the website and see, I like blue, obviously, and, something that's similar to this, businessy. And you look, okay, let's see which one looks businessy enough. And let's do this one because of the blue tie. And you hit custom design. It goes back. It'll take a moment, like I said. Investing tips and tricks. I personally don't like the fact that the editor does the print so small. So what I do is make the print bigger and center it. Reason for this, Mercedes, is it makes it so it's easier to see. Oh my God. Okay. Easier to see. And I don't like the color gray. I believe in doing colors that you can see. And even, okay, why is it not letting me? This little text here, just put, wow, that's a weird AI thing. And I'll just put, my website. And you're going to change color to make it bold and make it big enough that someone can read it. And you will see what it's going to look like. So you click download and JPEG download. It may take a moment or two. No, I don't want to subscribe. Okay, at this point, you're going to go here, click the post just in case, and you're going to choose the category that's in, which I'll do. Click on the most used tags. And then right underneath tags is feature image. You click that, click upload file, click select. This is the folder of the old ones. You go to download, click that, click, and there you go. Now, I'm trying to double check if I have anything different. Okay, now click preview in a new tab, and this will allow you to see what it'll look like, okay? See the date, see that, and then you scroll down. Okay. See the video, see the permalink, and then that's what I want it to look like. You can add more if you want. You can add up to 3 permalinks. You could put one right here, have one underneath the video, and then at the end have another permalink. Those are all backlinks, but that's what I want you to do. And once you preview this, you go back here and you hit publish. And it's going to say, oh my God, you can improve it. That's stuff, just publish it, okay? And there you go. You've seen a fully done video or post. If you have any questions, talk to me.